Mabuhay Manila, this is Aishadel from ManilaShaker.com, and the Realme 7 is the newest member of the Realme number series. This device is equipped with a 90Hz Full HD Plus display, Helio G95 gaming chipset, and a large 5000 mAh battery. This is the successor of the Realme 6, but the question, what was improved? And if this will be a gaming-centric phone, just like its predecessor? Well, let's see first what's in the box.
Yes.
Opening the box, we are welcomed with a compartment box that contains the SIM ejector pin, some documentation inside, and the translucent jelly case. Underneath is the phone itself, and below it is the USB Type-C cable and the 30-watt power brick. So that's pretty much everything. Now the phone on the back with mist blue color feels premium already. And there's also a mist white color variant. The camera module is not the typical Realme signature design anymore, and without the yellow circle on the first lens. It is now bulkier because they put the flash inside and with a minimal color accent also. And inside the camera module is an AI quad camera setup. A 64 megapixel f1.8 on the main cam, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth sensor along with an LED flash. Still at the back, the texture is smooth with a metallic-like looking plastic. It is prone to fingerprints, but I like how they put a vertical line on the left with Realme logo below, which makes the phone a premium redesigned Realme smartphone. On the frames, we get a gradient blue color accent, and on the right is the power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner. And on the left is the volume rocker and the SIM tray with 2 nano SIM cards and micro SD card that's expandable up to 256GB. The top is clean, but underneath is the headphone jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, and the speakers. Flipping to the front, the display has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The bezels around is a bit thin, but the chin is somehow larger, and we get a punch hole cutout located right on the spot where it can be less distracting. And the punch hole selfie cutout houses a 16 megapixel front camera. Now inside, the Realme 7 is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 gaming chipset, and yes, it should be another gaming-centric phone from Realme. Our unit has an 8 plus 128GB configuration, and since it is a gaming-focused phone, expect that in the coming days, we will test this phone's capability by doing a gaming review, so stay tuned. Taking you to the software, it is running with Android 10.0 with Realme UI right out of the box. The UI adds a nice touch to its 90Hz capability, which makes the phone smoother and with fluid animation. From the Realme 6 with 4300 mAh battery, the Realme 7 is now back with a large 5000 mAh cell for extended gaming and daily usage of the device, plus a 30 watts fast charge, which Realme advertised that it can be fully charged with just 65 minutes. Though we haven't tested it yet, but wait until we release a full review on the Realme 7. Speaking of the release, Realme will unveil this phone with its price next week, September 30, via live stream, so better check it out. And lastly, take a look at the Realme 7 sample pictures.
So guys, I have a question. What do you think is the price difference between the Realme 6 and the Realme 7? Let us know in the comment section below. And there you have it, we unboxed and saw the phone, but we will be having a deep dive onto its capabilities soon, so tune in and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified, and don't forget to visit ManilaShaker.com for more tech news, reviews, and comparison of the latest device. Once again, this is Aishadel, and mabuhay, Manila!